First, I will go to the website namecheap.com. Then I will go to the hosting part first. Then I will come to the domain part. From hosting part, I will click on shared hosting. Scroll down a little, and here it is showing in Indian currency the price. I can change the currency in the available currencies, for example US dollar. Scroll down, and now we can see what is the price in dollar. So why I am asking you to buy hosting first, because with this hosting, this is a starter hosting, we get a free domain name. We can host 3 websites from here. We are getting 20 GB SSD storage. We all know SSD storage is very fast storage and we need powerful hosting. So this 20 GB SSD hosting will be very helpful for our website to so that the website loads very fast. Okay, and also we are getting 30 domain based mailboxes. This deal is very good comparing to other plans from other websites that I have seen till now. Now click on get started. Okay, so this is the page where you will come after you click on get started. Here you have to decide whether you want to connect your hosting with some domain that you already have bought. In our case, we have not bought any hosting till now, so we will go with new domain name. If you already have a hosting, then click on existing domain name. In my case, I will go with new domain name. Scroll down, already in cart, new purchase. If you already have chosen any domain and you have added the domain in cart, then this button will be active. Okay, so I will go with new purchase. Here I will choose the domain. For example, Ranjan Teaches, the name of my YouTube channel. I have written only Ranjan Teaches, and it is showing the .com version is available and the price will be $8.98 per year. When if I renew it next year, the cost will be $13.98. Also, it is showing that ranjanteaches.fun is available for free for first year. Next year, the cost will be about $20. Ranjan Teaches host is also free for first year. We can see the other extensions are also free. If we want to use free domain for the first year, then we can use these extensions. Okay, but if we not needed any this kind of free extensions, then simply go with .com version. After that, scroll down, and here you have to click on connect to hosting. That means your domain will be connected to the hosting that you will purchase. it is connected now, and here the ICANN fee, that is 18 cents, are added. Okay, this ICANN will keep the record, like who is buying the domain, the ownership record. Then click on add to cart button. You can see the card value is $35.04. Scroll down, there is one other offer, that is domain privacy, that we are getting for free forever. Okay, so everything is good. Now we can click on confirm order. If you do not have account, then you need to create account first, then you can move to the cart section. In my case, I already have account, so I will simply log in. Confirm order. Okay, if you add your card information and other details, then you can simply go with continue, and after making the payment, the domain and hosting will be in your account. Okay, so this is the process to buy any domain and hosting. Thank you for watching this video.